Hi, welcome to DIY on the House. Today we have a very fun project. We are doing a cable railing system on our deck and stairs, and the cool thing about it is that we are getting to test out CR Fence and Rails railing system. They're very generous in giving this to us to test out, and this couldn't have come at a better time. My husband and I purchased quite the fixer-upper. You can see some of the before here of the back of the house. And we have updated it, we have painted the house, we have tore down the old railing system, so it's now ready for the new thing. And we are so grateful for CR Fence and Rail for letting us have this opportunity, because we are already wanting to try to go in this path of doing a cable railing system, and the timing was just perfect. Their customer service has been incredible. We sent them a diagram of what we had, and they were the ones that did all their calculations and sent us the spreadsheet of what we needed, and we made the order, and as you can see, we have boxes of all the supplies ready to go. Okay, so we have all the pieces and parts laid out. We are so impressed that it comes with all the tools you will need as well, so we'll show you those along the way. Here also you can see this is the diagram that we sent them, and then they sent us back this version that shows a color-coded map of where all the posts go.
We've got everything laid out, and we know where our posts are going to go, and we're going to go ahead and start attaching them. Now, just following the directions, you want to keep the base of the post, the mounting bracket, 1.5 inches off the side. And on all corners, you'll do 1.5 inches to keep everything nice and square. So once we get our post where it's going to go, we're going to mark it, pre-drill for the legs since this is on wood, and then we'll start doing all of our posts and get everything up. We'll do our handrail, and then we'll start doing the cable. So our kit comes with all the parts we need. The top handrail as well, it's going to be a metal one. And you can do it also, you have the optional for doing a wood handrail if you wish. Just specify that to the company when you do the order. So as far as the kit comes, it comes with everything you need. It comes with a marking pencil, comes with the bits, comes with the leg screws, comes with just absolutely anything you need to install this system. It comes with it. Very thorough.
Why? For fun.
19 1/4.
Because we were using them for the chicken.
The forks
Oh,
are.
okay, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, no worries.
Can you?
Yeah.
All right, so we're ready to start cabling. We actually have ran the first two to try to get a rhythm on it. So things to remember when you're on a corner, you have short little 45 inserts. On the through poles, you have long straight inserts, but you when you're threading it through, just make sure that you pay attention and your insert is facing the correct way to where it will snap into the pole. We'll go ahead and run this through the poles, make it loose, and we'll show you how to terminate both ends. We get that little piece of plastic left on it.
Yep.
This is great. That's like stable.
Stable. Oh boy, double.
Okay. All right, so when you get to your terminating post, take your insert and just cut off the tip of it to where you have the little wedge on it that will snap into the post. Feed it through. And bring enough out that way you can work on it. You take your end cap and you take the crimpers that they supply. Now on this one, the die that we're using is a number 8 and that's working very well. I'll pump it up a little bit. Insert it. And then go about a 1/4 inch from the end of the insert and just start pumping it. Making sure you keep that cable inserted and then just pump it as hard as you can. Once you're done, you have a good splice. And then pull that backwards, put all your inserts in, snap those in, and then move to the tensioning side. So this is the adjusting side. On this side you have an Allen wrench head, and so you're going to adjust this out as far as you can, or actually you can take it off, and then just thread it on one thread, insert it into the post, and now we're going to take our cable, we're going to cut that roughly about an inch past the end of the adjuster. So we're going to take that. We're going to take our cutters. Insert this into the dealio. So now we'll take our crimping tool and we're just going to bring it up until I can actually, the tool will just kind of jump on it. I won't have to mess with it. There we go, just like that. Okay, and this is where it definitely takes a couple people to do this. One holding and one crimping. There, once we get the crimp done, I'm actually going to crimp that one more time, just double check. Oh yeah, definitely got more out of it. You just want this in one to be crimped nicely. Then we're going to go on back side with our Allen wrench and then just start screwing that in. As we do that, the tension will rise on the cable and you'll get a nice tight cable all the way around. There we go, done.
Well, we have completed the cable railing and we are so impressed. It has really elevated this rail back deck to the next level, and we can't thank CR Fence and Rail enough for letting us try out their product. So thank you again, CR Fence and Rail, for letting us test out your product. We give it 2 thumbs up and we recommend it fully to anyone who wants to elevate their rails, their back deck. It really takes it to the next level. So thank you for watching DIY in the House. We would really appreciate a like, subscribe, and tune in for more videos.